If you are wondering if we have Face ID on a Nothing Phone 4a Pro, then the answer is partially yes. So it is not exactly the same. The Face ID that we have in here is not exactly the same that we have on Apple devices, so it's not exactly Face ID, but we have something that is called Face Unlock or Face Recognition. So the purpose of that feature is exactly the same. We use it to unlock our phone with our face, and of course we can scan our face data in order to be able to do so. But if we go into technicalities, then of course the Face ID is built in a slightly different way, and this one is a little bit simpler. It doesn't require us to move our face around in order to properly scan our face. Usually we can just simply look straight into the camera, and it's enough to start using this feature. Nevertheless, if you want to use the Face Unlock feature, you want to go to Security and Privacy in Settings, and then in here we can go to Device Unlock, and then here we have the Face Unlock option, and we should be able to start setting up our face. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.